Yo, welcome back to the 7th part of the horror game series, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a shifter sprint that looks something a bit like this. It's very easy, concise, and takes about 5 minutes maximum, so sit up and let's go. Okay, so to begin we want to make the script. And to do that we're just going to go to start player scripts, we're going to press the plus and we're going to make a local script. In here, we're going to begin our code by making some variables. So first we're going to do local user input is equal to game colon get service user input service. We're going to go down, we're going to say local players equals to game colon get service players. Here what we're doing, we're just getting the user input service which detects if we're pressing anything, and then we're just getting the players, all the players in the game. Now we want to make a sprint speed and a shift and a walk speed. We could just add this into the code like in the moment, but instead we're just going to put it into a variable. So we're going to do local sprint speed is equal to 40, and then local walk speed is equal to 16, and I'm pretty sure this is 16 studs per second. Carrying on, we're just going to get the player from the players. And to get that, we're just going to do player is equal to players.local player, which is us. We are the player. Now, to go down here, we're going to make a function. We're going to do local function begin sprint, and inside we're going to put two parameters or arguments, and these are going to be input and game processed. And then we're going to go down. We're going to say if not game processed, then if input dot user input type, make sure not to spell this wrong, is equal to enum dot user input type dot keyboard. And I'm going to say if input no, not that either. If input dot keycode. Now make sure K has a capital letter and C has a capital letter, otherwise it won't work. Is equal to input dot key. Oh my gosh, keycode dot, and then here we can do what I think I've done. Yeah, sorry. Make sure to do enum dot input. No, enum dot keycode dot, and now we can choose whatever button we want. So it's if input dot keycode is equal to enum dot keycode, and then the button we want. So in this case, we're going to do left shift, and then we're going to say then, and then we're going to say player dot character dot humanoid dot walk speed is equal to sprint speed. Now, how I was saying earlier about we can just do it in the moment, we could just say 40, but instead we're just going to say sprint speed. They both mean the same thing, but this one is just like just a variable up here, but it doesn't make a difference. But yeah, that is the first chunk of code done. Literally all we have to do now is copy this and change this to end sprint, and then change this to walk speed, and just like that. Now, last thing we have to do is call the functions, otherwise it won't work. And you're probably wondering how we do that. Well, we do it like this. Put began colon connect. Here we're getting the input began, so when the input is first registered, and then we're going to link it to begin sprint, which is our function up here. And then we're just going to do the same thing, but instead I think it's input ended colon connect to end sprint. And so pretty much what should happen is when we press the left sprint, we're going to when we press the left shift, we're going to sprint, and when we let go, this code is going to run, and the sprint speed is going to stop, and we're going to go back to the walk speed. There we go. I got it all out. But yeah, that should be it. We got the variables here, function 1, function 2, and then we're calling the functions. And yeah, this should work. So let's go ahead and press play. So yeah, we can now go ahead and press left shift, and as you can see, we go fast, and now if we let go, we go back to our regular speed. And just like that, it's working. And yeah, wasn't that hard, was it?